What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I gotta request everyone to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of the video. Let me know what you think of all the content. Watch it all, give it views, and let's get straight into this one. So we've got a slightly different box. I haven't seen this box before with Puma. I'm used to the green and white or the red and white box. This one's slightly different, kind of going for a recycled look, I believe, not sure. But it's got the brown Puma logo, like a cardboard, and then red, forever better. Just some information there, what Puma always have, size conversion, all that malarkey. So responsible looks good on you. So that definitely probably means that it's recycled materials. Let's just get straight into the information on the box. Let's get straight into the shoe. Let's see what it says first. So this pair is called the Trinity. Bit of an odd name, to be honest. But yeah, well, it's a bit different because Puma just releasing RS, 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 RS. And then the colorway is Puma Black Silver, 10.5 UK, Euro 45, US 11.5 centimeter, 29.5 men's. So this is all torn up anyway. Forget that. Let's get straight into the shoe. So if you're looking at this, you already know kind of what they're like. So this is why I'm annoyed with Puma now, because cool, you made one good shoe, now you're just making them over and over, slightly different. You know, I'm not really for it, but this is, you know, a slightly more budget version, quite lightweight as well. So I'll just go through the details. Sole, quite a basic sole, to be honest, no grip. If it is icy where you live, etc., or it can get icy, you're not gonna have any grip with these. I'm not gonna lie to you, you will slide around the place. So they're not known for grip, trust me. I've had Pumas for a long time. These are not grippy, but it's all black and it just says Puma standard. Then the midsole, again, all black standard. It does have a Puma logo there. Then we've got a Puma swoosh in a coated type leather, obviously not real leather. Suede on the back. Then we got some more leather there. Then we got mesh, but it's slightly a bit of stiff mesh. But then this one, you can see it's quite cheap type mesh. These are definitely not expensive ones, Pumas. So if you want a bit more premium, then go for the RS line. This is kind of cheaper. Not saying they're rubbish, but just saying they are cheaper. There will always be a cheaper alternative or an alternative to any sneaker. And then we've got that toe box with the leather, obviously again not real leather. We've got a bit of a 3M there. On the inside, same thing as the other. So we've got mesh, a bit of suede, coated leather, normal leather. On the back, we've got a Puma logo, kind of in like a silver with a bit of tumbled leather on the back. And then a normal standard pull tab. Laces, these are kind of flimsy, cheap laces, I'll be honest. They do come on certain other pairs. They are flimsy, they are cheaper. Again, alternative. And we've got that Puma logo, well, just Puma wording on the tongue, and then like a leather on top. And then we've got plastic bits here for the eye stays at the top. Yeah, I'm not really like mad keen on these, to be honest. They are like just a standard shoe. Personally, you know, I would rather go for the RS range, so the RSX, RSZ, etc. They got quite a lot that do stand out from these. The price point isn't too different, but you know, when these go on sale, these you can get for cheap. So if you wish, go for them. If you don't, up to you. I'm not gonna advise anyone to get them or not get them, but it is a good shoe. It's not cheap rubbish. Definitely not cheap rubbish. It is, you know, a cheaper alternative, but overall decent, especially what you pay for, about 30-40 quid if they go on sale. Very good bargain. Let me know what you think of these. Let me know if you like them, if you hate them, if you rate them. If you got a pair, if you're going to get a pair, wait a few moments, you'll see an on foot video. And yeah, that's all from me for now. Make sure you take care, my people. Thank you.